Fuck lecture, just pass the exam. If you say this, just click above. A student's score in the exam is 90 over 100. So, the distance from 100 is 10. On the other hand, another student's score is 80 over 100. So, the distance is 20. As a result, the average distance is 15. That's all. Now, a similar example. There are 4 students and their scores are as you see. The mean score is 50. Now, we will calculate the distance of scores relative to the average score. We see in the chart. When we calculate the average distance, it's 15. This is the point of standard deviation. Each number deviates from the mean by a degree. And we take their average to try to standardize deviations. So, we found 15. That's all. But there is a very little trick here. We see that deviations of scores which are less than the mean are actually negative. And when we sum up all deviations to take the average, their summation becomes 0. So, we need to solve this problem. As above, we might ignore the negative signs and take their mean. So, its name is mean absolute deviation. We use the absolute values to get rid of negative signs. The mean absolute deviation is 15. And standard deviation has the same logic. In order to get rid of negative signs, we take the squares of deviations. Then we take their average. Then we take the square root of it. Here is the standard deviation. It's the same logic. Not the same value, but no problem. This is standard deviation. It's mean absolute deviation. That's all. And we get variance if we do not take the square root. This is the variance. That's all. We are done. Despite some monster professors that make it harder. You just need to make some practice with the most asked exam questions. Then you will be prepared to fuck the exam. Just watch it. See you.